everyone, I'm Lisha and today I'm gonna show you the new colorful table. This table is light reflecting table and it has a lot of colors, so sometimes it really looks like a rainbow. From red to purple, the 7 colors gradually transition as if a rainbow has been brought into your living room, bringing endless vitality and joy to your home. And this table is a very modern design table, so it can easily fit any room or small space, and you can put it wherever you want. Whether it's modern minimalism, Nordic style, or light luxury, it can blend in perfectly. It will look very cool. This table is made of acrylic, so you can easily scratch it, so you would better not put any hot things on it or touch it very hard, not to damage it. The surface of the table has a lot of different colors like purple or blue in different angles. This table also can be a present for your relatives or your friends. So guys, that's all from me for today. See you next time. Bye!